Welcome to Rhythm. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. The recruitment cell of West Central Railway has announced job openings under the Scouts and Guides quota for the year 2024-2025 recruitment cycle. Eligible candidates can apply till October 19, 2024 at 11:30 pm. The available positions span various levels with details including pay scales and the number of posts listed on the West Central Railway website. Candidates must apply online and pay the requisite examination fee. For further information, visit www.westcentralrailway.gov.in. Sainik School Chittorgarh, Rajasthan is conducting a walk-in recruitment for various contractual positions for 1 year. Vacancies include teachers for mathematics, Hindi, art and craft, music, and a lab assistant with pay scales ranging from 25,000 to 63,000 per month. Eligible candidates aged between 21 to 35 or up to 50 for nursing sister should bring a completed application form available on school's website along with original documents for verification. For details on eligibility and recruitment dates, visit sschittorgarh.edu.in. Rashtriya Military School Dholpur is seeking teachers for higher senior secondary school on a contractual basis. Vacancies include assistant masters for Hindi and English, each offering a consolidated monthly package of Rs 20,000. Candidates must hold a degree in the relevant subject along with a B.Ed. Experience in teaching Sanskrit or organizing English communication classes is desirable. Applications along with self-attested educational documents should be sent to the principal within 10 days of the announcement. For further details, contact the school via email informs@dholpur@gmail.com. CISR Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu invites application for eligible candidates for various positions. Openings include 1 security officer, 2 security assistant, 1 junior stenographer, 1 junior secretariat, 1 assistant, and 2 staff car drivers. Applications are due by October 20, 2024. For details, visit www.iims.res.in. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Government of India, invites applications for various posts on a deputation basis for 3 years. Openings include 1 section officer, 1 accounts officer, 1 accountant cum cashier, and 1 personal assistant. Eligible candidates from central state governments and judicial bodies can apply in the prescribed format available on the NCDRC website ncdrc.nic.in. Applications must be submitted within 60 days of their announcement to the registrar. NCDRC, New Delhi. Rajdhani College is seeking applications for non-teaching positions across various schemes including personal assistant and several assistant roles. The college strongly encourages applications from candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC, EWS and persons with disabilities. These positions are approved under UGC guidelines. For detailed eligibility criteria and application procedures, interested candidates should visit the college website at www.rajdhanicollege.ac.in. The Bureau of Indian Standards has issued recruitment for deputy director positions on deputation. The number of vacancies for Deputy Director Marketing and Consumer Affairs with positions in New Delhi, Chandigarh and Mumbai. The deadline for applications has been extended by 10 days to October 12, 2024. Interested candidates should note that all the terms and conditions remain unchanged. For more information, visit the Bureau's official website bis.gov.in. University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi is inviting online applications for the position of junior assistant on a regular basis. The post offers a pay scale of level 2, 19,900 to 63,000 with a total of 29 vacancies distributed among the various categories: 9 UR, 4 SC, 2 ST, 8 OBC and 3 EWS. Eligible candidates, including those from any category applying for the PWBD positions, can submit applications via the college website by October 9, 2024. For further details, visit www.ucms.ac.in. So that's all for today's updates, but worry not. We'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed our today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.